Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn off tiling, keypad, vibration in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. Suppose if you type numbers on the tiling keypad here, you will experience small vibration. Okay, for each press, you will experience vibration. Okay, you can feel it through your finger. Okay, if you want to stop this vibration or turn off this vibration, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings in your phone and go to sounds and vibration, and here select system vibration, and here turn off the button against tiling keypad, and you will not get any vibration hereafter when you type numbers on the tiling keypad. I don't feel now. No, I don't feel any vibration now. So in this way, you can easily turn off tiling keypad vibration in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.